My name is Officer Fish. I'm from Antioch Animal Services. I've worked at the shelter for about 4 years, and I've been an officer for about 2. We service a city that has a population size of about 100,000 here in Antioch. We are a smaller shelter. We do get in about 4,000 lost animals a year, which equates to about 250 per week. And a lot of the times our main issue is, not being able to have people reunited with their pets, just because sometimes the pets don't even come into the shelter in the first place. And that's why Find Toto is such a great thing, because they can actually get a hold of your neighbors. People in the area, a lot of the times they'll find a lost pet running around. They won't necessarily want to bring him into the shelter. They kind of want to keep him at home for a little bit just to see if anybody's looking for him. They don't have a way to do that. It's also a good idea to use Find Toto, because the faster you find your pet, the less issue of fees that'll pop up with the shelter, because we do have boarding costs and such things like that the longer they stay here. And the main issue that I think Find Toto helps with is, in the state of California, the legal hold time for animals before they're put up for adoption or euthanized, if necessary, is only 72 hours. So they'll actually be held, it might run almost 5 days, but give or take, you want to find them the sooner the better, because after that point, they're really not your property anymore, and that's why I think that Find Toto is so helpful.